How to use getter without setter. I am using Python 2.7. I have the following class. My understanding is that by using the property decorator, I am essentially establishing a getter method for each of my two class attributes. Since I am not creating a setter method though, I would expect that my assignment of true to x.pos_a would raise an error. The error should be that I can't set the value of an attribute for which there is a getter method but no setter method. Instead, the value is set to true and it prints with no problem. How do I implement this so as to achieve that result? I want users to be able to get these values, but they should not be able to set them.
You'll need to inherit from object for properties to work properly. That's because properties are implemented with descriptors and only new style classes support descriptors.